Myself, Dr. Nirmal Sahai, working at Supercrop Safe Limited as a Vice President, R&D and Works. We are basically producing biofertilizer as well as the various aquaculture products, and we are into the nutraceuticals for the formulation of different food supplements. And for that we are having at least 10 raceway pond of 2 lakh liter capacity. Because we are already into the aquaculture and we came to know across this pearl culture activity, we thought to look into this and to start it. So for that we were initially looking into the institute or the training centers where we can learn how to do the operation of freshwater mujel. And during that process we came in interaction with the Maharashtra Pearl Center, and recently on 21st and 22nd we had been there for the training activity. It was a very nice experiences with Mr. Kapoor. We have learned how to initially open the cell to do the inoculations. We have learned how to do the inoculation for the designer pearl as well as the gonadal pearls. We also learned how to mold the design and further how to do the culture, what are the critical points, what to measure, what to feed them. And they have also given a compiled document explaining about the genus and species, then the different types of mussels where the pearl culture is feasible, and many of them is naturally found in the basically sea. Freshwater is very limited one, and so it really requires a very good skill to operate that, and we have learned that in the supervision of Mr. Kapoor. It was very good experience. Now our plan is to start with the pearl culture from next month or next month. Initially we are planning to start with around 20 to 25,000 mussels, and for that the pond is already we are having, so, and we are producing spirulina, so initial feeds are also there. And since we are having a biotech lab to check the quality parameter for operation as well as the oxygen demand of the species, we can maintain on regular basis. So we are very sure that from the next month we will start that. Thank you.